सक्सेस द स्कूल की जानिब से स्पोर्ट्स कार्निवाल 2023 के पहले दिन मुनक़िद हुए मुकाबलों में टोलीचौकी ब्रांच की 2 टीमों ने जीत हासिल की है। हैदराबाद शहर के नामवर और मियारी तालीमी इदारों में शुमार किए जाने वाले सक्सेस द स्कूल की जानिब से 3 रोज़ा स्पोर्ट्स कार्निवाल मुनक़िद हो रहा है। कबड्डी, बैडमिंटन, कैरम बोर्ड, शतरंज, फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट मुकाबलों का इनेकाद हो रहा है। सक्सेस द स्कूल की तमाम ब्रांचेस के तुलबा के दरमियान हो रहे ये मुकाबले गच्चीबौली इंडोर स्टेडियम में मुनक़िद हो रहे हैं। स्पोर्ट्स कार्निवाल के आगाज के पहले रोज मुनक़िद हुए मुकाबलों में टोलीचौकी ब्रांच की 2 टीमों ग्रुप 1 यानी जूनियर और ग्रुप 2 यानी सीनियर्स ने कामयाबी हासिल कर ली है। कल यानी 20 दिसंबर को लड़कियों के दरमियान खेल मुकाबले होंगे।
All the best, my children. Hip hip, hip hip. Yes.
वेरी गुड। 10 मिनट का ये फाइनल मैच होगा। दोनों इंचार्ज टीम इंचार्ज ना प्लीज। सैदाबाद टीम इंचार्ज, शाली बंडर इंचार्ज, टीम इंचार्ज।
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aman Sharif and I'm the captain of Tolichowki Group 2 football team. Our first match was against Shalibanda branch, which we won 3-0, and the final match was against Asif Nagar, which we won 2-0. My team cooperated very well with me. They scored very much good goals, and I thank the management, the PT management and the teachers for supporting us. And Zohan, our keeper, saved 4 goals very well. Thank you.
Say Zohan something.
Thanks. Thank you everyone. My name is Muhammad Amal. I have participated in inter-school competition and we have won in the finals and 2-0. Thank you all.
Son Dawood Ehsan Muhammad has won the match from Success School. Thank you so much.
I am very proud of. I am also athlete. I have played in national level. So I hope again. I just want that he should perform, but hopefully I was late just because of my office, and I have not seen in game, but definitely I congratulate to him and his team that they have played and make the Tolichowki branch super excellent. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We are very happy that Success School has organized the sport events, and my child has won the match. Tolichowki won the match for the soccer. I am very happy, and Irfan sir and Mr. Vanina madam, thankful for organizing this show. Thank you very much.
Principal, Success the School, Tolichowki. This year, Success Group of Educational Institutions have planned for the Sports Carnival 2023-24. Last year we did Education Expo, and this year we are giving the importance to the sports and games. I want to congratulate my management. I want to thank for organizing such type of events for the students. It was believed that only the academics are going to provide the bright future to the students. But Alhamdulillah, in the years we have seen that beside the academics, even the sports and games will provide very brightful future to the students. Yeah, this time we are conducting the events for both boys and girls, and today, that is 19th December, we brought all our the qualified students from our 5 branches, Tolichowki, Asif Nagar, Saidabad, Purani Haveli and Shalibanda to Gachibowli Stadium. From the morning, all our players are participating in the various events, 100 meters running, 200 meters, chess, caroms, football, cricket, and also other events. I would like to congratulate all the participants. Here every boy who is a player, he is the winner. And no one is the loser, because it is their confidence and the strong their performance that ensure them to visit this Gachibowli Stadium. I feel very proud to announce about the abilities and the performance of all the sports boys today who have participated. So I am very much confident the future of my country, India, is very safe even in the Olympic Games, because the students are very, very talented one. So with this, once again, I would like to thank the parents for giving their complete cooperation for organizing these events, and also I would like to thank the management and all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their contribution to exhibit the talents of the students, to identify and to showcase their talents even in the sports and games. So with this, I would like to thank even the media to come over all the way and to cover all these events. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Musa Jabin, Principal of Shalibanda Branch, Success the School. Today we are here at Gachibowli Stadium for this Success Carnival, Sports Carnival we are celebrating. This event has been organized by our management, giving an opportunity for all the students to play different games like chess, caroms, badminton, kabaddi, cricket, football. And really it's a very great opportunity for each and every student that they are excelling their abilities and they are developing their skills in different games. And we have got good support from the parents also, and really my students and students of all the branches, they are in competition with each other. Really each and every student is playing very well. We have a very tough competition in different games, and I am thankful to the management for giving us an opportunity to take part here and organizing in such a grand way that really it's a very, very great event. Thank you.
सक्सेस द स्कूल के तहत स्पोर्ट्स कार्निवल 2023 का आगाज शहर हैदराबाद के मारूफ व मेयारी तालीमी इदारों में से एक सक्सेस द स्कूल, जो गुज़श्ता 2 दहाइयों से न सिर्फ तालीम व तरबियत का मरकज है, बल्कि तलबा व तालिबात की मजमूई तरक्की यानी ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट का महवर भी है।